Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sneha Savan and I make manifestation technique videos. I'm sorry I'm late in uploading this video because I was quite busy. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this video I am actually making for creating positivity. Of course, the basic thing, the basic thing for a manifestation is required is positivity. Okay, so for creating positivity I have come up, actually I have discovered one more technique. It actually worked for me and I always share everything which works for me. Okay, I hope this will actually work for you too. Okay, so what is this technique? I will actually explain you, but before guys I want to I want to remind you that do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for all kind of interesting positivity, law of attraction and manifestation videos. So let's proceed, and you need to watch the whole video guys, because if you watch only half of the video, I don't think you will get it. There are a lot of people who go through all kinds of videos and they watch all kind of videos also. I will tell you straight away one thing, that it is actually going to help you only if you do the inner work after help yourself after getting all the information of the video or the articles you read on law of attraction. Okay, I do not speak professionally in my videos. I speak friendly because guys, I want to reach in your heart. When I will reach your heart, then only you will understand what I am actually saying. Okay, so this is why I keep a general video. Okay, so I actually hope that you will actually listen to what I am saying. Okay? So yes, what is this new thing to create positivity? First of all, I have discovered that laughter is a really best way to raise your vibration up. Don't you think so? So I have actually come up with one technique which actually worked for me. I discovered it and I actually used it, and this technique worked for me and I was actually laughing hard. This is because laughter technique. Okay, so what you have to do in this, see, you have to write laugh, 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 laugh as many times as you want. Okay, I have written in Hindi also. In Hindi, laugh is called haso. Okay, I am actually gonna upload this video on my Hindi YouTube channel also in Hindi, so that people who understand Hindi better than English can understand. Okay, so yes, you have to write as many times as you can laugh. Okay, and you have to read as many times you have written. Okay, what it actually creates guys, see, it is all a game of our subconscious mind. Whatever is fit in our subconscious mind is actually becoming your reality. What I actually noticed, what I actually experienced in this technique is, when I started writing laugh, 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 then I started writing in Hindi also haso, haso, haso. My subconscious mind actually recollected the memories of my past where I was laughing. Okay, that image, that visual actually started getting created in my mind and I actually started laughing. Okay, I will read for you. Okay, for a few seconds only I will read, then you have to practice it on your own. Okay, laugh, 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 and laugh. Okay, you just have to practice it, and guys, you have to write it down as many times as you enjoy. You do not have to force it, then it will actually create the opposite reaction and you will actually become negative. You do not have to force it. Then what this laughter creates, again, as I said in this video earlier, that it actually creates a high vibration. The vibration goes up, then it actually gives you relaxation. You become calm, relaxed, fresh, And with freshness, with relaxation, everything actually comes on track. Your manifestation actually comes on track. You actually become full of all ideas. You actually become full of calmness, full of relaxation, and it creates positivity for your manifestation. Yes, it is coming in divine timing. Your manifestation will definitely come. Just be, in alignment with your desire by actually practicing all kind of positivity exercise, breathing exercise, meditation. This is a laughter exercise. Okay, laugh, laugh, and laugh. I hope I have made you clear, guys. Also, guys, I am very proud of the members of my personal law of attraction group. Yes, I have actually started a Facebook law of attraction group. Okay, and the main idea behind this is so that with me guiding other people, the members should guide each other. Okay, and it is why this is a quite different idea. I actually wanted that people help each other. Why? Because this actually has worked for me. When I was initially giving instruction, opinion, views to help people, it was actually, guys, creating in me that okay, this is working for me. This is why I am giving this idea, opinion to others. So what it actually does is, guys, when these members are helping each others in the group, what is happening actually? It is hitting the ego in a positive way. That if this opinion I am giving to somebody else, I should work on this too. And this is actually creating a whole lot of positivity in each and every member who is actually giving the opinion also, and who is actually receiving the opinion also. Okay, and both are getting satisfied with their own vibration. Okay, and I am also supporting them. If you want to join my Facebook law of attraction group, you can direct message me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is manifest with Sneha. Okay, if you want to join, you can message me there also, or comment here under this video also. Okay, I will provide you the ID of Instagram. Okay, so that you can actually direct message me and ask the details of my personal law of attraction group. Okay, I hope I have made a satisfying video for you. This video is satisfying for you, so that you can also create the high vibration like I did. Today only I practiced this, and I am very much happy with this result of writing so many times laugh, laugh, laugh. And my subconscious mind actually started creating that, recollecting that memory when in the past when I was laughing, and I actually started laughing again. Okay, it actually raised my vibration, so it will actually raise your vibration too. So I hope I have made it clear that what you have to do. This is a very simple technique. Guys, life is very simple. I don't know why we are making it complicated. Okay, just live. Okay, give love, laugh. Okay, and guys, this is the simple way of giving, receiving the positivity. Okay, you just have to create love inside you, laughter inside you, every kind of positivity inside you. Spread it and receive it in abundance. Okay, this is also a motto of my law of attraction group, so that people can interact and spread positivity also. Again, I am also time to time and frequently guiding the members. You can also join again, and I will give you all the details. You will actually get the details in my posts also on Instagram. Okay, my ID again is my manifest with Sneha. Okay, I hope I have made it clear again that what you have to do in technique, you have to write all kind of what I'm saying. You just have to write laugh, laugh, laugh. Okay, and it will generate all kind of positivity, all kind of calmness, all kind of positive vibrations, and it will actually definitely refresh your mind, and it will actually help in manifestation. Because for any kind of desire to get manifested, you will have to be in alignment. So whenever negativity enters, start this technique, start writing laugh, laugh, laugh. Okay, or you can write happy, 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 but I will recommend you to write laugh. It will actually generate, that kind of emotion of laughter. The subconscious mind will actually recollect the memories of the past when you actually laugh hard. Okay, so this will actually help you in the vibration and being in alignment for your desire with the universe. I hope I have made it clear. Thank you so much.